Hello, buddy. Alright, so nasi tukutarisa about file handling and Buratino area. What's number? 2023. Yeah, long break. Okay. So, to talk about file handling. So file handling is basically file handling. It refers to the process of reading, writing, and manipulating of files. Teach some sort of visual basic language. In this case, we are using visual basic area. So to name various operations at of file handling: creating, opening, reading, writing, closing, and deleting my files. So file handling, it is one of the most essential programming aspects that we have. Although Batiram application returns to its data consistently, then we explain like we have the key components and our file handling, file system object, stream classes, input or output classes, creating files, information sign on user. Use file.create method. Then opening files, you use what you call file.open or file.openRead methods. So these are just the operations. So in order to do those operations, they are inbuilt functions or methods. If I would rather call them methods that are indeed that will help you so that you can do what you want. Like if you want to read from a file, you should say on the stream reader. Right? If you want to write to a file, you should use what you call the stream writer. So basically, my files, these operations are consistent across all programming language. If you go to C sharp, you will see them. If you go to C, you will see them. And they are consistent because file handling is just the same. So kabata syntax here, needs. So what do you want to do? I want to show you you can create a file, a new file, which answer file that create method. So basically, you just demand say dim file is stream writer. So you want to write file and gas. So use the file dot create method. Then in quotes you highlight the file that you want to create. So in this case, we'll be creating a file called myfile.txt. Then after that, what you do is you want to write something to that file. You want to write a certain string to that file. Then dopo would type of file dot write line. So you write something in a line, then you put it in quotes, then you've automatically written to that file. It will be in your project directory. But I'm going to show you later how you can just create it so that it will appear on your desktop. Then when you want to read from that file, reading from a file, use what called the stream reader. Right now, when you're reading from a file, sometimes you have lines like a one this. So you know that you do that faster, you use what you call a loop. So you can use a do loop until so Mukona plans do while basically it was me trying to play around with the loops. So you can say do while, then you have a condition. And you understand that a do a while, this is a while end while loop. Basically, this is a while end while. But I'm saying do while the condition. Yeah, so this is a while end while loop. It is a pre-test loop. It's not a post-test loop like the do loop until. So basically, dim file is stream reader. Then we have to open the file that we want to read to. Then after we've opened it, then we dim line a string because we want to be reading each line. So do while line is equals to file.read line, we are going to read each line. Then after we have read each line, we are going to display it after all. Then after that, we close the file. So basically that is it, file.close. So before watanga the file handling, watanga code, what you have to do, you have to import the IO so that you can be able to interact with the operating system. Then you have to import text so that you can be able to create text-based file. So I have a very good example here. I hope my code is very visible today. I hope it's very visible today. So what is happening now? I'm sort of that import system.io. Right. So for benefit that you can say imports system dot text. Yeah, basically, so that you won't go wrong. So you have to do these three crucial steps and then just import system just in case they are missing things. So this one also desktop documents. So what am I saying? Let me highlight this. So desktop downloads, documents, pictures, music, videos. These are special folders. They are special folders because by default the system knows them, the system creates them. So you can use what you call function like the environment dot special folder dot desktop. It's actually inbuilt. You see, you can select downloads, you can select documents, you can select videos because they are special folder. So automatically to detect that special folder, and then here dim file path is equals file dot combine desktop path. So I'm just declaring a file path where I'm going to create a file. Which file am I creating? I'm creating demo underscore text underscore file dot txt on my document, on my desktop. So if you check my desktop now, there's no file like that. Okay, so we are going to see in a minute. Then after that, we need to create and write a file, even if it exists. So this is another way method of concatenation. I showed you using the ampersand sign. I showed you the interpolation. Now this one, you'll be making use of the curly brackets. As you can see, you put the dollar sign here first, then you put the quotes, then the value which you want to pass, you put it in curly brackets. So creating and writing a file too. So that's actually the file part that you're going to take for a special folder, which is the desktop. Then after that, you're going to use the stream writer to write to a file to that path exactly. So writer dot write line hello from VB file handling demo. Writer dot write line this file will be created. So you can actually add another line, like you can say writer dot write line Yeah, let's take this one. VB makes file handling straightforward and easy to understand. Basically, then you end what we're using. So we are using writer is a new stream writer file path. Then we pass these our parameters. Then after using that, we end what we're using. Then we output to the screen, write complete and file closed. Now, when we want to read from that file, reading from that file using a writer. So notice I said we are going to be using while loop. Using writer is new stream reader. Reader, not writer, reader. Takushandisa stream reader because we want to read. While not reader dot end of stream, not end of the file. It's set to end of the file. Dim line is equals to reader dot read line. So we are reading each line, then we are putting it to the screen. So basically that's what I'm. So if I could just run this, not in debug mode, and just very quick mode, build started, started. Oh, yeah, so yeah, successfully creating a file my desktop that part, then write was complete, then it read from that file. So as you can see, that was asked in 2023. You were supposed to take contents from under the file, then you write them. So basically, that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to read from that file. While after you've done reading, then you use a while loop to write to that file. Basically, so you here you're supposed to say using writer is the writer. Then while you are reading from that file, then you write to another file. Basically, passing down. So if I check my desktop, I'm going to see that file here. This. That's file handling for you. See you next time.